how to use Threads Instagram app. So basically, I'm gonna explain to you how you can use Threads. So one of the benefit of using Threads is connecting with others. So user can easily follow accounts they already engage with on Instagram, as well as new accounts of people participating in Threads or by using the profile search function. Another one is posting. So you can post threads. As you can see, posting threads allows users to express themselves within a 500 character limit and the option to complement their text with photos or video. So basically, this is something similar to Twitter. So you can basically post different threads that basically are tweets. As you can see, you can share website links, so users can share website links with their followers, complete with automatic reviews of the website's title, description, and image. So as you can see, you can even share threads on Instagram, so users can cross post their threads to Instagram as stories or posts. Now, if you want to post a new thread on Threads, is what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app. So you're gonna have to download the app and then tap on the pen icon, and then here you can simply start typing whatever you want. And if you want, you can even add photos, videos or GIFs, and then simply tap on post, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.